Your door is more than just an entryway. It's the first impression of your home and a key component in security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Over time, even the best doors wear out due to Florida's harsh weather conditions, changing needs, and everyday use. If you live in Tampa and are wondering whether it's time to replace your door, here are some clear signs to watch for and the benefits of upgrading to a new one. Visible damage and wear are one of the most obvious signs that you need a new door is physical deterioration. Cracks, dents, warping, or rotting, especially for wooden doors, indicate that your door is no longer structurally sound. Tampa's humid climate can accelerate wear, leading to swollen or warped doors that no longer fit properly in their frames. If you notice chipping paint, rusting hardware, or signs of pest damage, it may be time for a replacement. Difficulty opening and closing. A properly functioning door should open and close smoothly without resistance. If you're struggling to open your door or it sticks, it could be due to expansion from moisture, shifting foundations, or general aging. Misaligned doors can also cause drafts, security vulnerabilities, and frustration in everyday use. Upgrading to a well-fitted, modern door ensures ease of use and improved security. Increased energy bills. If your energy bills have been climbing despite no major changes in your home, your door could be the culprit. Old, poorly insulated doors allow heat and air conditioning to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Tampa's hot and humid climate makes energy efficiency a priority. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door with proper insulation and weather stripping can help you save on monthly energy costs. Drafts and air leaks. If you feel air seeping in around the edges of your door, it means your door's seal is failing. Drafts make your home less comfortable and cause unnecessary energy loss. New doors come with advanced sealing technology that prevents air leaks and keeps your home at a consistent temperature year-round. Outdated style or decreased curb appeal. Your front door plays a major role in your home's curb appeal. If your door looks outdated, faded, or simply doesn't match the aesthetic of your home anymore, replacing it with a modern design can significantly enhance your property's appearance. Whether you opt for a sleek contemporary look, a classic wood finish, or a decorative glass insert, an upgraded door can make a lasting impression. Security concerns. Your door is the first line of defense against intruders. If your current door has a weak frame, loose hinges, or an outdated locking system, it may not be providing the security you need. Modern doors come with reinforced materials, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass to enhance safety. Given Tampa's occasional severe storms and the risk of break-ins, upgrading to a more secure door is a smart investment. Water damage and mold growth. Tampa's frequent rain and high humidity levels can lead to water damage and mold growth on older doors. If you notice soft or spongy wood, peeling veneer, or visible mold, it's a sign that moisture has compromised the integrity of your door. A water-damaged door is not only unsightly but also a health hazard. Upgrading to a water-resistant or fiberglass door can help protect your home from the elements. Noise pollution. if outside noise is easily heard inside your home, your door may lack proper insulation or soundproofing. Upgrading to a solid core or insulated door can help block out street noise, providing a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. Upgrade to a new door for better performance. Investing in a new door for your Tampa home comes with numerous benefits, including enhanced security, improved energy efficiency, and an instant curb appeal boost. Whether you choose a stylish fiberglass, sturdy steel, or classic wood door, the upgrade will not only add value to your home but also provide long-term savings and peace of mind. If you're experiencing any of the issues mentioned above, now is the perfect time to explore your door replacement options. Contact a trusted local provider to help you choose the best door for your home and enjoy the benefits of a secure, energy-efficient, and stylish entryway.